Today we're going to be looking at adding and subtracting using a number line. If we're adding, you generally want to start with the bigger number so that you have less to jump on the number line. So we're going to start with 435, then add our 100 in, then deal with our tens, which we need 8 hops for the 8 tens, and then add in our ones, 7 hops for 7 ones, landing us all the way down on 622. Now, I don't have to use a number line like that. It's very easy to use my place value to hop, but I could start out with 100 and then jump 70, since I know that 30 plus 70 will give me 100. And then I can jump 10 more, because I still need to jump 80. Oh, look, I'm on 615. Very easy to add to that is 5 to get to 620, but we're still not done. We need 2 more because 5 and 2 make 7, and I need to add 7 ones. So we're going to jump 2 more to land on 622. Number lines are very fun in that the kids can figure out how they want to add this, however works for their brain. If they want to start with the ones, cool. The tens, whatever. The hundreds, alrighty. Up to them how they can see it fitting together and how they use their hops. If they want to do 8 hops, works. If they want to do 70 and 10, cool. If they want to do 40, 40, because that works for them, that works for them. If we're looking at subtraction, most of them are used to taking the biggest number and then counting back however many we need. So at this point, we're going to take out 200 first, then take out our 60, and then 7 more so that we take out fully 267. Just like with addition, we could do this in a smaller number of jumps if we're able to handle that. So instead, I'm going to jump back 200 at the start, then take out 30 to land on 200, but I still have to take out 30 more. And then take out 5, easy peasy, and 2 more to get my 7. Here's where it gets kind of fun and interesting, is that they could think add to subtract. So if they don't want to count back, they can count up from the smaller number to the bigger number. They have their start point, they have their end point, they know those two things. They just have to figure out how much space is in between. So this time I'm going to jump 100 to get to 367, and then 30 to get to 397, another 10, another 20, but I got to get up to 435, so we're going to jump my ones of 3 and 5 to get there. This is where they have to remember, okay, I got there, but now how do I figure out how much gap is there? They have to add every single hop they made. So they have to make sure to track how far they're jumping each time and then go back and add that together. So they have to look at this and say 100 plus 30 is 130, plus 10 is 140, plus 20 is 160, 163, 5 more is 168. Again, thinking add to subtract, they can do this in any order they want. If their brain goes, wow, I can get to a 70, that's a nice number to deal with. They're just going to add 3 and then add 30 more to get to 300 and then make the jump 100. 300 to 400 and then 35 more to get to 435. And then they'd add all this together and they'd get 100 plus 35 is 135 and 30 more is 165 and 3 more is 166, 167, 168. Same number, just a different way to get there. The number line is truly kind of their playground, and however they can make the number work, however they can add it or subtract it, that works for their brain, the numbers that they find friendly and easy to use are totally fine.